Hello friends! Welcome back to my channel. This is Angie of DIY Obsessions. This video is a continuation of my backyard gardening. I never throw a broken pot, but I reuse them. Upcycle, recycle, whatever, but I will never throw a broken pot, a broken planter, or a broken terracotta, because I thought that they can be still a good material to make a fairy garden or a succulent haven. In this video, I'm gonna show you again another one broken pot, how I turned it into a succulent haven, and eventually will become a fairy garden. Watch until the end and you will understand what I'm saying. I hope you will enjoy the video and I hope that you will get the inspiration. I love to use these greens. I don't know what's its scientific name, but I love to use them to fill the gaps on my succulent arrangement. It really gives a distinct beauty. This one, we call it magic rose. Also, I don't know the scientific name, but if you know it, please leave me a comment below, and I would really appreciate if you can tell me the names of those. And also this one, it's a survivor. You know, I went for a 45 days vacation, and when I came back, all my plants were like suffering, and the ones who survived, the ones that I saved, I'm replanting them again. So yeah. Please continue to watch this video until the end, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment below in the comment box. I would really appreciate if you can also leave me a thumbs up if you like the video. If you don't like the video, you can also tell me in the comment box below. I would really appreciate your feedback. Hope this video will bring you somehow an inspiration or somehow a motivation to activate your green thumb.